Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our Simatic Manager Step 7. So in this video I am going to describe you about a positive and a negative edge in our Simatic Manager. So you will see here is our positive edge and here is a negative edge we are going to use in our Simatic Manager, and you will see that I already created a scene. Here is my some start button which is set our conveyor, and our sensor will be work as a positive edge as a negative edge when we change our command. So let's see that. First of all, you will see I already created a start button and conveyors, and you will see that start light at a sensor, and the sensor we are using in our scene factory I have seen is an NC sensor. So you will see that how it is going to work. First of all, you will see that I am going to use I 0.0, which is our start button, and output we are going to set an output. You will see that which is Q 0.0, which is our conveyor, and I am going to use another network. Then you will see that, and I am going to use a positive edge there, and our sensor input which is I 0.1, and I am using M 0.0 as a memory bit there for using a sensor. So I am going to reset that sensor for our memory bit. Now I am going to save that, and I'll download my program to my PLC sim, which is connected to my PLC sim, and you will see my PLC sim is now on running mode, and then I am just going there, and in the drivers I am going to connect it with my PLC sim. Now our PLC sim is connected, and I am going to use there, and I am going to set that as an online, and now I am going to show you how that sensor going to work. So first of all, when we click the start button, I am going to start there. You will see that the conveyor is set. So when it will, because it is NC sensor, when the box passes the sensor, then our conveyor will be reset. You will see that. So that's how positive edge work with the sensor. Now I am doing something different, and I am going to drivers and disconnected that and changing that one to a negative edge. So you will see that I am just posted a negative edge there, same as I am going to copy that, paste it there, and I am going to use memory bit as there and paste it there like that. Now I am going to delete that one. Now I am going to save that, and again I am just clicking that and downloading to my PLC sim. You will see that, and now I am going to connect that with my PLC sim, and now I am just moving my sensor to some like a forward like that, and now I am going to make it online and show you. When it is touches the sensor, then you will see that our conveyor will be stopped. You will see that. So that's how negative edge work. I am just to make that and be again using that by moving that one there. Now I am going to make that online, and now you will see that again the working of our logic, and just move there like that. Now you will see that when it is touches the sensor, then you will see that our conveyor will be stopped. So that's how negative edge work in our PLC sim. But if we are going to change the sensor, now I am just trying to show you. I am going to edit something. I am going to change the sensor there, and I am going to select that sensor there and delete that one, and in the section of that I am going to use that sensor there. So you can see that like that. Now I think our that sensor is connected, and I'm going to drivers again and diffuse sensor there. Now you will see that it will work differently. So how it will work differently? I'm just again using there, start that one, and when I am going to push that start button, so you will see when it is touches the sensor, then our conveyor will be not passes the sensor. When it is passes, because sensor is NO, the sensor is NO, so you will see that when it is passes the sensor, then our negative edge works. Though both sensor have different and different, we are going to use a different programming like that. So I am going to change that with our positive edge. I'm going to change that like that, and copy that one and paste it there, and copy that one also and paste it also there. Now I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to save that one and again download into my PLC sim. So our program has been downloaded. I am going to make that online again, and now I am going to make that like that. So when it is touches the sensor, then you will see our conveyor will reset. So that's it. That's how positive edge and negative edge with the different types of sensor work in our PLC Simatic manager. So you will see that the NC sensors negative edge and positive edge working is different, and NO sensor negative edge and positive edge working is different. So I think that's it. That's how we are going to use a negative edge and positive edge of our Simatic manager in our tutorial. So I think thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons, and don't forget to read the descriptions. In the descriptions I give more links of Indosoft SCADA, Ignition SCADA, WinCC SCADA, and TIO portal tutorials as well, and FactoryIO more tutorials as well. So if you want to learn, watch my videos. I am making more videos for you. So thank you very much again.